One of the biggest mistakes that a lot of beginner bikers make is thinking that everybody they find out there riding motorcycles is a friend. Let me tell you something. Not everybody you find in this industry should even know 2% about your life. I want you to understand that criminals who commit crimes and do a lot of shady stuff also love bikes. The same way when you go to the vehicle industry, the car world, you will find scammers, thieves, murderers, a lot of stuff also driving vehicles. When you come to motorcycle world, especially in the modern day when people are looking for a fun way to spend their time, a convenient way of commuting to work, motorcycles are coming in handy to bring criminals together. So as a beginner, or even someone who is new to motorcycles, or someone who just shifts from one location to another location and is trying to look for a community of bikers to join, you need to be very careful the friends you make, because some people are criminals. Some people learn about your life and take advantage of it. Some people are going to become very close to you and they'll get you into trouble, because when the authorities catch up with them, they will also catch up with you. I want you to look at this. Our country, especially now where I am in Kenya, you go to Uganda, you go to South Africa, you go to USA, Australia, everywhere. We have a very serious issue with drugs, online scams, okay? These are issues that are bothering authorities all over the world. And the people who are involved in these things are people who are spending money. So you're going to find some spending money in motorcycles, others spending money in vehicles, others spending money in aircrafts, others are into real estate. People have tastes. So you might find yourself in a gang of biker friends, but some of them are highway robbers, people who commit robbery with violence, sex pests. Okay? You're going to find a lot of people doing a lot of stuff. So the idea of thinking that everybody you find on a motorcycle and you salute, they salute back, you can make friends, exchange contacts, show them where you live, tell them what you do for a living, exchange every detail about your life. My friend, you are just setting yourself up for a trap that you will never see coming. So this video for today is just a caution for beginner bikers, because I know a lot of my viewers, a lot of my followers are beginner bikers who are looking up to me to get information about how to be safe on motorcycles. And one of the safest way to remain on bikes and be in community of motorcycles, just be selfish with the details about your life. You meet people, you talk about bikes, you talk about everything else, but keep your personal life away from the discussion. Don't show people where you live. Don't tell them so much about yourself. Don't give them your bikes to ride. Because one day, someone will go for a road test with your motorcycle. And you're going to be left there with a smartphone recording a video of them riding your bike. And that is the only thing you will remain with, because they will never show up again. I have seen it happening in my country. People giving out bikes. You take your smartphone, you are taking pictures of someone you call a friend riding your bike, and that is the last time you see them. That is the last time you're going to see them. So, if you want to be peaceful and remain safe in the community of bikes, just be selfish with your details about yourself, your family, your business, what you do. Just be selfish with a lot of details that are so personal. You can tell them what you do. Maybe you might get a client from there. You are a consultant, or maybe you have a shop, you have something. You will tell them what you do. Maybe they might be interested later in life and be your client. But details about your personal life, keep them out of this discussion. Keep them out of this discussion. Don't show people where you live. You never know when they will come back when you are not there. You never know who they are going to send. Don't give people a lot of details about yourself. Finally, don't let them ride your bike. Your bike is like your girlfriend. Guard that thing with all what you have, and you're going to thank me later. And also remember, my name is Meshach. This is Two Wheels Paradise, always real stuff. We don't play games here. Real stuff. Not everybody you find on bikes is a friend. Some of these people are just demons, because demons also know how to ride bikes. See you around. I'm out of here.